In this video, I show you everything you need to do to set up for a POV photo walk using the Akaso EK7000. For my photography YouTube channel, I wanted to take videos showing you my thought process as I was taking the photos. I started off using my smartphone to take videos. But the problem with that was that as I was moving around and finding a shot, I'd have to put my phone down, pick up my camera, and then take the picture. And on top of that, I also wasn't recording now the actual moment I was looking through the viewfinder and describing what I was seeing. Going to a GoPro seemed like the logical choice. But then the question was, how can I attach it to something so that I can be videoing hands-free and also see what I'm taking pictures of? So I did some research online, and I'm happy to show you what I learned so that you can also take videos the same way I do. To address the first issue of how to attach it to myself as I'm walking around, I found this product by Telesin, which is a sort of a strap that attaches to your camera bag. So you see here, it's got this brace, and it's this wraps around your strap, and then you attach your GoPro to this, and it straps in like this. Very nice. Okay, and then you can undo it whenever you want as well. So let me show you how I do this. Get my camera bag over here, and it straps here. So I put it on, I like to put it on the left side, and so just put it on here. And then to figure out where it's going to go, you have to wear it, right? And then adjust the size, adjust it so it's in the right location. So that's step one. The second one I want to show you is how to actually attach this in a way that makes the best sense for your GoPro. So I got the Akaso EK7000 model, which is a very nice, reasonably priced version, not as expensive as the GoPro. And I want to show you how I attach all these pieces together to get it to work. So first of all, it comes with the adapter that comes with the Telesin. And then in the Akaso accessories, you get a ton of different things. And this one over here is the one that worked for me. It's basically the bracket that you put the camera into. So slides in like this, and now it is attached well. Okay. Now the trick here is that when you put it in to this bracket, so it's not going to be, it was a little bit confusing to me. I just want to show you how I worked it out. So first I'm going to unscrew the bolt so I can put it in. And then if you put it in what seems to be the normal way, you end up with an issue that it can't go all the way up. It's going to be limited in being perfectly straight up. I don't know if you can see this. It's a little bit angled down, even holding perfectly straight up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually flip it around, which means I have to load it from the underside. Okay, but if I put it in like here, like this now, it can go all the way up and even further back than it needs to be. Okay, so I'm going to put it in like this and screw it in. And now I'm going to adjust it so it's straight up and back like this and finish tightening it. Okay, and now I can put it into the brace over here. 1 second. So first issue solved. The next issue is how to make sure what's going on here, I can see that I'm recording what I actually want to record, because I'm loading it in the back, there is a monitor in the back of the screen, but I really don't have access to see it right now because it's flush against the strap. And also while I'm walking around, I don't really want to be like looking like this all the time to make sure that things are going well. So how do I work around that? So for that, the Akaso device actually comes with an app that you can download, and then you can actually view what your camera's seeing on your phone to double check and make some smaller adjustments to make sure everything's going as you want it to be. So I'm going to show you that now. To address the second issue of seeing what your camera is seeing while you're walking around and making adjustments, I'm going to be using the Akaso Go app, which you can type in Akaso EK7000 app maybe, or just Akaso Go, It's the top hit. Go here and install it. Then when you open it, you have an opportunity to go to device over here and connect your camera. Actually, let me delete this and see if I start again. I'm going to delete this the device. Okay, and here, now I can add a device. I have to pick the right device I want to add, which again is the EK7000. And now, switch it on and turn on Wi-Fi. So to turn it on, I'm going to long press mode. There, now it's on. Very nice. And then to turn the Wi-Fi on, you press the down arrow button, the volume down, I suppose, and that turns Wi-Fi on. Once that is good, it tells you, it says waiting for Wi-Fi, and press it down to turn it off. On your device, on your phone, it tells you here, switch it on, and once it's done, confirm and say next. I'm going to allow it to go access the device here. I locate it under my internet options, and now it's connected. And here it is. So I think because I already connected in the past, I didn't have to type in the password, but when you do connect to your Wi-Fi for the first time, you might need to type in the password for this device. So, but now you can see that whatever I'm looking at, it sees here, right? So now it's ready, and we can take it out into the field and do a test run. So here I am out in the neighborhood and set things up so that I can really see a really nice view of everything I'm looking at. And I can take a picture. So I hope this gave you a good explanation of how you can set up your GoPro or Akaso with this Telesin to be able to use to get a good view of, you know, when you're doing your photo walks and walking around. So you have an excellent way of figuring out, showing what you're seeing and being able to take photographs of it at the same time. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe so you can see more videos like this.